Behind me is the 2022 Landmark Lafayette. This camper comes in several different colors and is decked out with features. Let's go take a look. This Lafayette is going to come with a Mow-Ride hitch. This hitch is designed to move forward and backwards as you go down the road, absorbing all that shock, allowing for a smooth ride. So here we are on the outside of the Dinette slide. Landmark has included an outdoor TV here. Most people don't ask for an outdoor TV or need one, but those of you who do understand the frustration of not having an awning covering your TV space. Landmark has addressed that issue. So this Landmark Lafayette is going to have 3 large pass-through storages, so no more worries about having to leave anything behind. The tubs that you want to carry along, the inflatables, the canoes, whatever it is, will be able to fit in this Lafayette. Plenty of space, as you can see. This Lafayette is a front living floor plan. However, we compromise no space in the kitchen as we have tons of counter space, this beautiful island. We have a large farm-style sink with the removable faucet head. We have a residential size stovetop, 4 burner stoves, and a large oven as well. Of course, we're gonna have our stainless steel microwave and our residential full-size fridge. A lot of complaints that I get in front living floor plans is we'll have this hutch here in a lot of our front living models. However, we don't have any obstacle stopping us from watching TV, as we do have a built-in TV in this coffee hutch. Super cool feature, and I know you're gonna love it. This is a front living floor plan, and that doesn't mean we don't have enough space to sleep everybody. We have opposing slides in our front living room, and on either side we're gonna have love seats that do have pull-out beds. So no worries on the sleeping space. The front cap, we're gonna have a 70-inch TV. This is unheard of in the RV industry, and right below it, we are going to have our outdoor stereo / indoor stereo, and then our electric furnace / fireplace that does emit ambient light and warmth whenever it's the cold months. So you've seen it 100 times, but Landmark does it right. They've included the freestanding dinette chairs that comes with 2 additional chairs. This table does have a leaflet that comes out. We also have blackout shades all the way throughout this RV, but we have a 180 view here in our dinette. As we're enjoying our breakfast or our lunch or just hanging out, we have a beautiful view of our campsite. So picture the scenario. This has happened multiple times. Papa makes his famous jalapeno poppers, and it strikes multiple victims at the same time. That's no problem for this Lafayette. We have a beautiful half bath ready to go. In the bedroom suite, we have lots and lots of space. Of course, at a camper of this magnitude, we're gonna expect the washer and dryer prep, and sure enough, we do have it. We're not gonna have them installed here at Funtown RV, but you can always get those through Camptown, mycamptown.com. We're gonna have an adjustable bed in this coach. This is a king-size bed. Super cool. You get the adjustable, that's not seen very often. We're gonna have a built-in dresser in this bedroom. It's going to have lots of countertop space and a wireless charger as well. Here we are. This is a throne fit for a king. In this restroom, we're gonna have a large walk-in shower. Honestly, you could fit 2 people in there if that's your speed, but we also have a built-in seat that you can tuck away or bring it down for seating. Removable shower head. We do have a skylight in the shower for additional headspace. If you're wondering what that sound is, we actually have a Dinette fan in the restroom. That's no surprise, but we love to see that. We also have tons of counter space where our sink is, and also, of course, lots of cabinetry built in to this restroom. So, my opinion of the Landmark Lafayette, this is the perfect couples coach if we're gonna be full-time living or if we spend a lot of time on the road. This could be a portable office if you wanted it to be, but really, we have 4 TVs, we have plenty of sleeping space, and we have all the upgraded residential appliances. So keep in mind, this RV is over 15,000 pounds. It's going to be over $100,000. So it's not for everybody. But those of you that want the full camping experiences, all the bells and the whistles, we can go full glamping mode in this Landmark Lafayette. On that note, whatever your next adventure is, whether you're hitting a hike, going on the water, or you're going on a biking trip, if you're in the market for an RV, don't forget that the fun starts here.